Welcome to MaidTV.com. What is your name and nationality?
Okay, good morning, Madam Priscilla. My name is Michelle Manisong. I'm from Cameroon.
What kind of job are you looking for?
I'm looking for a housemaid.
Housemaid job
Yeah.
or a cleaner?
Yeah, a housemaid or cleaner.
What is your visa situation?
I came here
You're on a tourist visa?
yeah,
Okay, when will your tourist visa expire?
on the 6th December.
6 December. Okay, in which cities and countries are you willing to work? For example, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, for China. Where do you want to work?
I can work to Dubai.
Dubai, only in Dubai.
Dubai and Abu Dhabi.
Dubai and Abu Dhabi. Okay. Tell me something about your last job in Cameroon. You worked in a hotel, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me something about your job in Cameroon.
Okay. Last job in Cameroon, I was working in Canton Hotel as a cleaner.
As a cleaner.
Yeah.
What were your duties and responsibilities as a cleaner?
Oh, when I came in the morning, I have to look if the glass is clean. Yeah, I have to make sure that the glass is clean. After, I have to go to room and wipe the carpet. Then
Okay.
I have to go
Check everything.
yeah, check everything before cleaning sweep.
Okay, but why did you leave your job in Cameroon?
I leave my job because I heard about Dubai and then I decided also to came and experience what is happening.
Oh,
Dubai.
Okay, what are your salary expectations?
From from Dubai.
Yeah, your salary expectations.
I want for
1,400.
yeah 1,000.
So, your minimum expected salary is 1,400.
Yes,
Okay. Are you single or married?
I'm single.
You're single. Okay. As a housekeeper, which tasks will you perform every day in the house?
As a housekeeper.
Yeah. What are you going to do? Are you going to clean first? Check everything, wash, iron clothes, what?
As a house cleaner, I have to clean in the morning first.
Mhm.
I have to check everything. Then I fix. After I sweep, then I clean.
Mhm.
Before wash clothes, ironing.
Okay. So do you know how to cook?
Yeah, I know to cook.
What kind of food?
I know to cook biryani rice.
Okay.
And then African food also.
African food.
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you prefer? Housework, caring for kids, or cooking?
I don't know.
Yes, you have to choose one or two. What do you prefer? Doing housework, caring for kids, or cooking?
I housework.
Housework. But you told me before you also love cooking,
yeah,
right?
yes,
Mhm.
all cooking.
Okay.
Also.
How long do you envision staying in this job?
I don't know, maybe 3 years.
Okay. Are you in good health?
Yeah.
Mhm. Are you comfortable with animals such as cats and dogs, for instance?
Yeah, I like dog very much. I
Okay.
don't have problem even with cats. I don't have problem.
You don't have problems
Yeah, I
with
like
pets.
animals. Yeah.
You love animals. Okay. Why should you be hired? For example, I'm the employer. I will ask you, why should I hire you as my housemaid? As my housemaid. Why should I hire you? What sets you apart from the other applicants? Why should I choose you?
Maybe, I don't know, maybe it's because you know that I'm a hardworking girl, maybe.
You're a hardworking girl.
Yeah.
That's why I should choose you as my housemaid. Okay. What are your hobbies? Your hobbies. What do you do during your spare time? Do you listen to music?
Yes, I like to listen to music, I like dance, I like film.
Okay, watching films. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for your time. Please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you so much.